Assalamu alaikum friends. We went to our children's school. Today was the annual day function 15/12/24 on Sunday. In that function our parents gave us gifts for the game which we play. There was a game luck by game. In that the first gift I got was a dry iron gift. I am so happy. And the second game was a book balance game. In that game I got a hot box second gift thanks to all the teachers in GNR school and especially thanks to God. And then after the function is over we will come home and cook food and make tomato chutney spicy and eat it.